Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, in order to do this, you first want to make sure you're running iOS 13 or above. If you are running an older iOS version, unfortunately, it's not going to be compatible, so you can check what version you're running by opening up your settings. From your settings, you want to scroll down and press onto General. Then what you want to do is press on to About at the top of this screen, and it's going to tell you what iOS version you're running. So we know that my device is compatible. Now, once you've checked out, what you're going to want to do next is open up the App Store on your iPhone. And what you want to do is search for something called NFC Tools. So you want to type that into the search box and just give this search. What you need to do is actually install this one here with this orange icon called NFC Tools. So what we're going to do is just download and install this onto our iPhone. It's just going to take a minute to do. And once that's downloaded, go ahead and open up NFC Tools. Now from this screen, what you want to do is make sure you've got your NFC card to hand. And then what you want to do is press the orange-red button at the top. Once you press this, you're going to see it says Ready to Scan Approach in NFC tag. And at this point, all you need to do is simply scan the NFC tag on your NFC card. Once you've done that, the card should be picked up and automatically added to your Apple Wallet. So that's basically how you can add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.